Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows users to share photos, videos, and stories with their followers. If you're new to Instagram, you might be confused as to how it works. In this video, we give you a quick introduction on how to set up an Instagram account and get started. First, download the Instagram app from the App Store on your phone. Create an account by entering your email address or phone number. Next, set up your profile by adding a profile photo, bio, and website link if desired. This is easy to do and shouldn't take very long. Once you have done this, you are good to go and it's time to get started. Once your profile is set up, you can start following accounts that interest you. You can search for accounts by username, name, or keywords and follow them by tapping the follow button. To create and post content on Instagram, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. You can choose to take a photo or video using the camera or upload content from your device. Before posting, you can edit your content by adding filters which adjust the brightness or contrast, and add captions and location tags. You can also create Instagram stories, which are photos or videos that disappear after 24 hours. To create a story, swipe right on the home screen and choose a photo or video to share. You can use Instagram Direct to send private messages to other users. Once your content is posted, you can explore and engage with other content on the platform by searching for hashtags, exploring the Discover page, and liking and commenting on posts. Instagram is a great platform for connecting with others and sharing your photos and videos with the world. Congratulations, you now know how to use Instagram. It takes a bit of practice, but Instagram is an easy and fun social media platform to use. Whether you want to capture that beautiful sunset or you're just chilling at home with friends, you can have fun and release your creative side with Instagram.